Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking your Vivo phone and picking the right VPN. Confirm Android version and storage so the app installs cleanly. Decide why you need a VPN, privacy, streaming, or bypassing region locks, because that dictates paid versus free choices. Once decided, open Google Play or prepare an APK if Play Store is blocked. Make sure Install Unknown Apps is enabled only for the installer. Download the VPN app, then tap Install. You're ready to move into configuring it. Now you configure the app so it works reliably. Sign in or register and complete any email verification to unlock servers. When prompted, grant the VPN permission to create a VPN connection. Also allow notifications so you see drops. Choose a server close to your location for speed or the country you need for content. Pick a protocol, WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility, and enable the kill switch. This prevents leaks if the connection drops, so your traffic stays private. Finish by testing and automating the VPN. First, run an IP and DNS leak test to confirm your address changed and traffic is protected. Once confirmed, enable Auto-Connect for Wi-Fi and mobile, and add the VPN to battery optimization exceptions so Android won't kill it. If you encounter problems, restart the phone, switch servers or protocols, and reinstall the app as a last resort. Remember to clear app cache before reinstalling. If issues persist, contact VPN support with your device model and log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.